Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to download Tradelocker for your GatesFX. And we can do this simply by going to downloads and click right here on downloads. Then once we click here on download, you will download the exe from Tradelocker. I already downloaded that, so I cancel this one and click here on the exe right here, because I already downloaded it. But make sure that you open the exe right now, so then we can log in and use the Tradelocker as quick as possible. So right now we have Tradelocker right here, and we are now on a live account. If you want to log in with a demo account, we click here on switch to demo. And then what you need to know is, if you go back to GatesFX, you need to create an account with a Tradelocker trading account type. So if you now click here, for example, on open demo account, your account category needs to be on Tradelocker. And that is very important. Otherwise you can't use Tradelocker for your GatesFX. So now if you go to your email, you can log in with all the details that they sent you once you created your account. And then you have exactly this chart right here, supported by TradingView. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.